Okay, this is a little bit sad story, but the guy from Twitch Guru is taking it easy because one of his parents recently passed away. So he announced in his Discord like, "I'm sorry, I just can't." So it's okay, whatever, it's okay. Yeah, jump game is broken. I'm sorry. That's one of the things. Jump game is broken. A couple more things, but that's okay, whatever. I want to show you something, by the way. I'm not sure if I already. Is goed, dankjewel. I'm just thirsty. I need drinks. And that's okay. We have enough. We have enough. We've got enough. There's so much beer. There's so much Fanta. There's so much everything. Oh my god. But yeah, just water for you, boy. We're gonna be fine. We need to close it again because it's actually cold. They're so well prepared here. It's insane. It's insane how well prepared they are here. Okay, let me have a quick seat so I can have this drink. Because what I said, I'm super hungover, guys. I'm sorry. It was an amazing night last night with the guys. But that made me a little bit fucked up. You didn't make much of a dent in it last night. We drank, I think we drank like 25 six-packs together. The fridge was a lot fuller. Like a lot. Okay, let me have a sip of water here because sheesh, I'm thirsty. More beer will fix that? No, if I drink more beer right now, Tegan, I'm gonna throw up. I swear to fucking God. Oh. Look, the Dramatic Skies plugin is in full effect today. It's beautiful. Also, network is really amazing here. 100 megabit down, 20 megabit up in a field. We have all the network we need here. It's going to be amazing. So yeah, we're just going to chill. We're going to be looking at the youth first, which should be fun. I don't know, I've never seen it before, but it should be fun. And then after that, the real stock car racing is gonna, start. So it should be good. Water, your biggest friend. Oh, look at Doggo here. Oh, poor Doggo. Once again, his name, the Doggo's name, is actually Schultenbrouw. So he's named after the cheap beer. Schultenbrouw. His name is actually Schultenbrouw. Oh, poor Doggo. What a cutie. Let's keep it on the Doggo for now. I think Doggo is most interesting of everything we see right here. But yeah, do let me know if the sound is okay today and how we are doing in terms of... in fact, let me do a bitrate check so I know. Ah, shit. That's nice. 405 ms on the RTT is not that great, but hey, what can you do? So apparently, last time when I was on a racetrack, I kind of got like a name for myself because I walked back into the yesterday, and everybody was like, "Yo, are you vlogging? Are you vlogging tomorrow?" I said, "Yeah, I'm gonna be vlogging tomorrow. Don't worry." So apparently, I'm already known as the guy with the camera who makes reports of this, which is amazing. Also, I have competition because there's one guy who's live streaming this on YouTube. 18 degrees, nice. Oh, poor Doggo. Hey. Poor Doggo.
betekent dat bij even reclame maken.
There we go. Good doggo. Good doggo. Nice. So apparently the youth is starting, I think. So let's go there. Let's have a look.
Klaar voor?
Let's have a look there. Oh shit. Come on, cable. There we go. Hey.
Nogmaals, voor het rustskwartier, alle rijders, over ruim 5 minuten gaan we beginnen met de briefing bij de jurywagen hier op de baan. Nogmaals, alle rijders, alle klasses, kort voor 12.
Dennis.
De briefing bij de jurywagen, voor de jurywagen op de baan.